In this video, I'll show you how to make cinematic videos with Veo AI in 2026. Start by opening the official Veo experience and entering the video generation section. For cinematic results, your prompt should describe more than just the subject. Start with the scene and environment, then describe the action and camera movement. Camera language can be especially useful. You might describe a slow tracking shot, dramatic close-up, wide establishing shot, or smooth camera movement. Next, describe the lighting. You could specify golden hour sunlight, soft shadows, nighttime lighting, or dramatic studio illumination. You can also describe the mood and visual atmosphere of the scene. For example, imagine a cinematic shot of a lone traveler walking across a desert at sunset, with the camera slowly moving from a wide landscape view toward the character. Submit the prompt and preview the generated video. If the result feels too generic, make your prompt more specific. Try adjusting the environment, camera movement, lighting, and mood. Generate several variations until you find a result that matches your creative idea. Finally, use the available official export options to save your finished video. And that's how you can create cinematic videos in Veo AI in 2026.